Oh yeah, so good. Go bananas for this vegan banana upside down cake. I'm using almond milk, but you can use whatever vegan milk you have. We'll add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into the milk and set that aside. Let's melt the margarine in the rice cooker for about 30 seconds. But try not to boil it, like me. And now add in your pure brown sugar, then mix until it's melted. We will need about 4 medium bananas, and try to choose the bananas that are more straight. Let's slice them lengthwise, and careful not to cut yourself, okay? And then cut it in half. Now layer the banana on top of the sugar in a circular shape, filling in all the spaces. It does not have to be perfect, just cover everything on the bottom there. And now take another banana and slice it, and then line it on the outside, standing up, trying to space them evenly. Again, it does not have to be perfect. In a mixing bowl, go ahead and mix your flour, natural sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix. And in another mixing bowl, mash 2 bananas to make 1/2 cup of mashed bananas. And then to this we'll add the coconut oil, vanilla, and I'm using almond yogurt, but you can use whatever yogurt you have. And now stir your milk and add it to the mixture. Go ahead and whisk with a hand whisk until everything's incorporated. Let's go ahead and add the flour mixture and fold it in with a spatula, and just keep folding it until the flour is blended in. Carefully pour your batter on top of the banana layer and tap it a few times just to release some bubbles. And now fold the side bananas onto the batter, cutting it with a spoon if the banana is too thick. And let's start our first cook. And what I usually do is the minute I press the button, I'll put on a timer for 30 minutes. And I do that because I keep forgetting to come back and push that button. There are a few important things you need to know if you're new to baking in your rice cooker. The rice cooker will stay in this cooked state for only about 5 minutes, and then it will go into the warm state. And this is normal because the rice cooker needs to cool down. During the baking process, there's not a lot of liquid, and so the rice cooker must cool down. But don't worry, during this warm state, your cake is still baking, so try not to open the rice cooker until after the 2nd or 3rd cook cycle. And if you try pushing that cook button and it doesn't want to stay on the cook status and keeps going back to warm, that just means it needs a longer period to cool down, so give it another 10 minutes and then try to push that cook button again. And it's after our second bake. Oh, that smells so sweet. And my chopstick is coming out clean, so baking is done. Shake the pot a few times to just loosen the cake a bit. And now put a plate on top of it and turn it upside down onto the plate. And doesn't this look delicious? This is a beautiful and perfect cake right here. I can't wait to cut into this cake. It feels super moist. It's gonna taste wonderful. Lately, I've been on a banana baking spree. Let me know in the comment below what some of your favorite ways to bake with bananas. And oh, so yummy! This just melts in your mouth. You should really make this one. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. Also, I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and channel with your friends and families and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, have a wonderful day.